Everyone, today we have a new review for a new product. Here it is. Fresho signature dark chocolate filled cookies. This is manufactured by this company called Fresho, and I think it's a sub branch of a main company called Bliss Chocolates. It says they got two headquarters, one in Bangalore and one in Thane in India itself. So yeah, this is an Indian company, and yeah, judging by the looks of it, this looks really interesting. I mean, you can see the cookies; they are filled to the brim with chocolate, and yeah, it looks really, you know, the the picture itself is really attractive, and I hope the cookies are just as promising as the picture here. Now let's go through the ingredients. Here they are. Sorry. Yeah, it contains refined wheat flour, icing sugar, margarine, water, milk solids, glucose syrup, cocoa solids, raising agents, emulsifier, and iodized salt. It does say dark chocolate here. I'm not sure how dark it is gonna be, but I hope that it doesn't disappoint me because I'm a huge fan of dark chocolate, as I've already said in some of my previous videos. Now I'll go ahead and open it. They've got a seal here, an extra seal here. So yeah, packaging is nice. This one cost me around 50 rupees for 75 grams. It's a good deal. I ordered it from Big Basket. It's got all these sub packets of cookies. Wow, these feel dense. I mean, like other cookies of these kind. These ones are. These ones feel a bit different. They are denser. You can even say they are thicker. Let's see how many there are in this packet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, this one packet contains 6 of these. So I'll keep it here. And now for the taste test of the actual cookie. Okay, yeah. Smells just like every other cookie. Not surprising. And also it looks like every other cookie, except that I feel like this is a little bit smaller compared to the cookies of these kinds that I usually buy. Let me just break this in half and show you. Okay, just plenty of chocolate in it. That's clear. Now to actually judge its flavor, I'll start off by eating this chunk. Sorry. First off, I was expecting something unique, but this one tastes like just about every other cookie from its category. Second, the picture doesn't do any justice to the actual cookie. You can see I'm comparing it side by side. You notice the difference? Yeah. So that wasn't surprising, considering every product looks a lot different from the picture that it's depicted on. Sorry. I gotta say though, the chocolate inside, it tastes average, not too dark, but it is pretty flowy. Like, it's not really thick. It flows easily in my mouth. I like this one. Okay. So yeah, my opinions on this. Well, buy it if you want to try something new, but you won't find much of new stuff in this. It tastes just like what you can get in a dark fantasy cookie, almost like that. Though this one has a slightly different flavor, but you gotta pretty much focus on tasting it to even get a hint of that flavor. Sure, yeah, that was it. It says best before 4 months, but I'm sure it's not gonna last even 1 hour with me, so I don't have to worry about its expiration date. Okay, I'll end the video and get right to eating all these. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with another product review of another chocolate product. Bye.